Our students, this year you are going to study one more subject, that is social studies, and this is the cover page of your book social studies. This cover page represents the picture of our country India. All right. Look again. This is index page. There are 23 lessons for your study, and in this period we are going to study unit number 1, that is beautiful India. Here I start our lesson number 1, beautiful India. Why the title beautiful India is there? At the assembly time you say national anthem. Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem, composed by Rabindranath Ji Tagore, and in this national anthem he has described about India, Indian culture, rivers and other things. And in this book you are going to study the cultural heritage of our country and physical things of our country. Okay. Now look, in the beginning there are the map of India. At east part of our country there is Bay of Bengal. At south part of our country there is Indian Ocean. At the west part there is Arabian Sea, and north part there is the ranges of mountains. Okay. Now look, the territory of India represents a geographical amalgamation of various features with its mountain ranges, valleys, desert regions, tropical rainforest, fertile plains, dry plateaus, coastal areas, etc. Now I have told you about the map, and there is a the ranges of mountains, plateaus, deserts find in our country in different regions. Those things we are going to see here in detail way. Also I told at the east part of our country there is a Bay of Bengal, and at the south part of our country there is a Indian Ocean. It means we have available coastal area. So all those things we are going to study here in the detailed way. India is also known as Bharat or Hindustan. It is unique. It is unique with its incredible diversity both culturally and physically. The foreigner countries we call India, or they knew us India. Along with India we knew as a Bharat or Hindustan in the whole world. Now look, it is unique with its incredible diversity both culturally and physically, and you know that we live with different people, different with a different culture. That is the speciality of our country. It is said that there is a unity in diversity in our country, because in India we live with people with different caste, religions, but we live together, we live happily. That is our culture, that is our tradition. Also, we have received some natural gifts by the nature. They are mountain, river, ocean, and it is also speciality of our country. India is the seventh largest country in the world. India is the seventh largest country in the world, extending over. India is the seventh largest country in the world, extending over 32 lakhs 87 263 square kilometer. Our country is seventh in number by area, and the area of our country is 32 lakhs 87,263 square kilometer. It occupies a strategic location on the Asian continent, lying entirely in the northern hemisphere. The mainland extends about 3,200 km from north to south between extreme latitude and about 2,933 km from east to west between extreme longitude. It has a land frontier of about 15,000 km in length. All these numbers are the location of our country. Okay, remaining part of this lesson we will see in the next video.